Right, so Vx. How do I calculate Vx? What page am I at now? Page 5. Need me to, how do I find Vx? Easy, difficult? I don't know. How do I find Vx? Still remember? Still remember this question? Okay, let me use Google Classroom to call you. Reset. Danish, I want to find Vx. I got my 2 point. Your hand okay already? The thing take out already. The splinter thing. Okay, this is 2.7. This is 1. How do I find Vx? Use the what? The Pythagoras theorem. Danish, can you tell me what to write? Plus. Wrong. Equals to 1 square plus Vx square. So the longer side will always by itself. So I want to find Vx. What do I do? Minus 1 square, right? Square. Then after that, Vx will be. Can you press your calculator? Help me. Everyone do together. Start, Lei. Got what? Right what? So, what's the answer here? 6.29. Then Vx will be square root. And what's the answer? 3.2. 2.5079. Wait, so this is the height. So once I have the height, is it easy to find the area of this triangle? Yes, right? So half base times. So area of triangle equals to half times base times my height. So my area of triangle will be 2.5079. Is this okay with everyone? So I look at the pyramid again. I have one base, one square base. How many triangles do I have? 4. So how do I find the total surface area? So I find the total surface area will be equals to the square itself plus 4 times of the triangle. So what's the final answer? Again, calculator, I cannot. Ashraf, what's the answer? Final answer? 14.0316. Round to 3SF. 14.0. Yay, done. Is this okay with everyone? Okay. Okay? Huh? You found? Found it, huh? Now, so first step is to transfer the information into the diagram. Since half of you have already done it, so I'll go pretty quickly. So this is 60. This is 60. This means that this is 80. This means that the Vn is 40. Okay, we are good to go. First, I want to find the volume. Alright. Let me introduce this word to you. You may want to write down composite shape. Do you know what is composite shape? Composite figure, composite solid, composite shape. So the word composite means you can actually break this one block of things into 2 or more smaller figures or smaller shapes so that it's easy for you to do. Example, if I have this block here, how should I cut it so that I can find individual one easily? Horizontal, right? Do you see that it's a block of cuboid plus pyramid? Do you see that? Yes? No? Right, so how do we start? Volume of, maybe you try the cuboid first. Cuboid easy or not? Length times breadth times height. What is my length? 60. My base, 60. My height, 80. In any sequence, you can start with 80 first as well. So then my answer will be calculator again. Press your calculator. cm cube. Next, the volume of pyramid, is it easy? What's the formula again? 1/3 times base area. So base area is 60 times 60 times the height, which is 40. Press your calculator. What do you get? 40,000. 48,000. In order to find the total volume, what must I do? So total volume, I will just add together. And what's the answer, Taishin? 336,000. Okay, so exam, this is about 3 marks. 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. I put wrongly? Oh, I added one more zero at the 48. I'm sorry. There's only 3 0 behind, so there's only 3 0 behind. In my mistake, I add too many zero. Right. What about the surface area of the, how do you pronounce this word? Bollard. Okay, let's find the surface area of the cuboid first. Sorry? Oh, A part 1, then A part 2. Okay, let me draw the cuboid again. Now, in order to find this cuboid, I can actually name the faces so that it's easy for me to identify it. How many sides do I have? How many faces do I have in this cuboid? 6, right? There's 6. So maybe I try and add some names to it. Maybe I'll call the top one as top, bottom. I can call the front and the back. I can call the left and the right. So altogether, I got like 6 faces. But I look at this cuboid. How many faces do I have actually? Is it 5 or is it 6? I need to count the bottom or not? Answer is yes, because total surface. Surface include the bottom. But do I count the top? No, because it's blocked by the pyramid. Do I make sense? Okay, so I only need 5 surfaces. So let us calculate the surface cuboid area. I only have 5 faces. Let's try. 60 times 60 is the bottom one. 60 times 60 is the bottom one. Do I include the top? No. So I only have 60 and 60. That's it. What about the left, right, and front and back? Is it all the same area? Let's try. Front is 60 times 80. Is it the same at the right, at the back, at the left? All the same, right? So I can have 60 times 80. But how many of them? 4. So I times 4. So are you all okay with the first part of the working? Okay. So can you have the answer? Can you press your calculator and tell me the answer? 22,800 cm squared. Now, what about the triangle, the cuboid, the pyramid? Okay, allow me to divert back up here so that it's easy for you to refer to the diagram. So from here, I go up here. Now, over here, I want to find the triangle. So can I draw the triangle out here? Maybe I draw the VBC again. I draw the triangle VBC. Which length do I already have? Irvin, which length do I already have on this triangle VBC? BC. BC is what? 60, right? Oh, so I already have the base. Do I have the height? No, I need to find the height. So maybe let me name the height. Let's call this, I draw a line down. Maybe let's call this X. Okay, so now I want to find the height X, the height Vx. Question, is Vx equals to 40? No, right? Longer or shorter than 40? So Vn is here, Vx is here, so Vx should be longer or shorter? Answer is longer. Do you see that? Okay, let's indicate X on the diagram. Do you know where is X on this diagram? VBC. Okay, let me try. I label my X on the diagram. X is actually here, and I'm referring to a triangle that is here. Do you see this straight triangle? So far, can follow the story? Okay, so I got a triangle here. I want to find the Vx, but I cannot find Vx in this triangle. I need another triangle to help me. So, to find Vx, I will need another triangle. And this triangle is V and X. Do you need me to color the triangle? Can I color the triangle and show you where is this triangle? So this triangle here is actually this triangle here. Is it okay? Oh, awkward silence. Okay, try. I call out people and then you tell me. I call out your name and then you tell me whether you know any of the length. Yuan, give me one length that you know in this triangle based on this shape. NX. NX is what? 30. Very good. NX is half the length, so NX is 30. Give me one more length that you know, Aisha. Give me one more length you know in this red triangle. 40. Where is 40? Vn. Very good. Now I can find my Vx. How do I find Vx? Pythagoras. Jiangming, can you set up the Pythagoras equation for me? Vx. I remember what? C square equals to A square plus B square. A square plus B square equals to C square, right? Can you tell me which one is A square, which one is B square, which one is C square? So Vx square will be equals to 40 square plus 30 square. Jiangming, do you agree about this? So from here, can you find your Vx now? Press your calculator. What's your Vx? 50. Do you get a 50? Yay! Then problem solved, right? I can now find the area of triangle. Area of triangle VBC will be equals to half times base times the height. And how much is that? 1,500 cm squared. How many triangles do I have? 4. So I'm ready to find my total surface area. So total surface area will be what again? 22800 plus 4 times of the triangle. And what's the final answer? What's the final answer? 243. How many zero? 2. Really? No lah. 288, right? 28800 cm squared. Try a calculator. Is there some steps? I think some steps is different. So far, okay? So that's the total surface area, and then we are done. So this will give us about 4 marks in the exam. Huh? Huh? B, is it? So that's the total surface area. So like already 7 marks already. So let's go to B. B says what? B says that I want to color the side and the top. The total surface area. Total surface area will include the 4 triangle, the side and the bottom. Alright? Is that okay? You're very lost, eh? Forever. 4 periods. Plus me is the 5th and 6th period. 8 periods sitting down already. Okay. Mata got move what? Okay, okay. So how? We should move. Right, so okay, okay or not, okay or not? The this part is okay or not? Can And right, for B, okay, let me finish the question. For B, what I need to do, I need to color 17 of this. But there's a problem here. I only want to color the side and the top. So what must I do? I must minus away the bottom. So let me try and minus away the bottom. Let me fix this one. I want to minus the bottom. So minus the bottom means I will write down the total area to be painted will be 28800 minus 60 times 60 because I don't want to waste my paint to color to paint the bottom of this block of thing. So I will minus this, and can you help me with the calculator? Tell me the answer. 25200 cm square. But I got another problem because the question say 1 tin of paint can only paint 8 meters square. So this is in cm square. I need to convert this to meter square. How to convert? Divide by how many? 100. Wrong. 10,000, right? Because area, right? So I got to divide by 100 2 times. So what's the answer? .52 meter square. Okay? So divide by 10,000, you will convert cm square to meter square. Now I know one block require 2.52 meter square. How many blocks of this concrete thing do I have? I did. This is the 4 times the 1,500 is the area of pyramid, isn't it? Okay, Daryl mentioned I didn't add the area of the pyramid, but we did because 22800 is the surface area of the cuboid. 4 times the triangle will give you the area of the whole area of the solid. Okay. minus 60 and 60 because I don't want to waste. Do I want to waste the paint to color the bottom of the? They say paint the side and the top. Do you want to paint the bottom? I think don't. I think don't paint the bottom. No, the calculate the area of the block. I will calculate everything, right? But when I want to paint, I don't want to paint the back side, the bottom of it. Make sense? That's why I minus off the 60 times 60. Why divide by 100 and 100 is because I want to convert cm square to convert the cm square to meter square. So I will divide by 100 by 100. If it's length, I will only divide by 100. Agree? cm to meter, I divide by 100. But if it's area, I have to divide by 100, divide by 100 again. Because of the square. Now, I want to find the total paint needed. I will take this, sure. I will take this multiply by 17. Can I have the answer? Come again. 42.84 meter square. If one bottle of paint can paint 8 meters square, what must I do to this number? Divide by 8. So total T needed. I divide by 8, what do I get? 5.355. If I need 5.3 bottle of paint, how many paints do I need? I need 6. So I will need to round up to 16. Even though 5.3, if I round off, it should be 5, right? But because 5.3 means I need 5 plus bottle of paint. O-level question. Why they say N-level? Because set 5 taking the same paper. Oh, okay. Can Alright, take time to revise, go through again, you're okay. Alright?